morning, guys! Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Zai, and you're watching my life's diaries. So for today, I would like to share with you that I'm going to Manchester alone because, of course, my husband cannot always accompany me due to his work. And also, the reason why I'm going to Manchester is because I have a scheduled interview at 1:30 p.m. today, and I just had my coffee and I'm going to prepare later on. But just so you know, it will take me like around 10 to 15 minutes walking, going to the train station. And it will take another 1 hour or about an hour train ride. Then after I get off the train, I will have to walk again for about 5 to 8 minutes to get to the place. So I'm really rooting for this job because this is actually quite similar with the job that I had when I was working in the Philippines, and it's all about mortgages. So yes, I really wanted to learn a lot of things about mortgage. So of course, it's going to be different here in the UK as compared in the US account or for the US mortgage or home lending. So please wish me luck. So whatever happened, I'm gonna keep you posted. So after this, I just need to prepare, and I'll see you in a bit. Sobrang aga ko sa train station. Umalis ako ng mga 11:25 and it just took me 20 minutes going here. So it's already 11:43 and my train will arrive like around 12:09. I'm hoping it will be earlier because I'm the only person here at the train station. Look. No one is here. I'm the only one. My gosh. Alright, I'll update you again later. So from here, I just have to walk 5 minutes to reach the office where the interview will be held. And just so you know, guys, prior to this interview, I already accepted one position, which is a collection agent position, also located in Manchester, and it's in one of the call center company here in the UK. I applied to both of them at the same time, like couple of months ago, and this home lending or this mortgage position just got back to me after a month, and I already accepted the other role because they got back to me right away. So after 2 weeks from the application, I got a result that I got accepted, so I just accepted it because the pay is okay. And since this is going to be my first job, then who am I to be choosy, right? So whoever comes first. And then I did not expect that they'll still gonna call me. So when they called me, they asked me about mortgage on the initial interview over the phone. And then they set me up a schedule for a face-to-face interview which can happen today. So if in case that I'll get this job, of course, I'm going to let go of the other one. Yet I haven't started with them. So it will start in a couple of weeks, maybe 2 weeks from now. And then after that, if ever, I'll just gonna continue with the collection position. But if I'll get this, then of course, I'll be starting maybe for a couple of months pa. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. So I will give you some updates later on after the interview, because I won't be able to video while I'm in the interview for security purposes, and of course I don't want to be distracted. So please wish me luck on this journey. I really love this. I'll keep you posted. See you in a bit. Welcome back, and I'm done with the interview. Grabe, isang oras na interview yon, and later on I'll discuss everything. For now, I'm going to eat my meal. I'm on my way home. So this is what happened during the interview. So once I get there, I just go to the floor where I was told to go, and then somebody just picked me up at the lobby, and then we go to the conference room. So I was just asked with regards to the experience I had, and it's more of situational. So if you are familiar with the STAR approach, it's like situation, task, action, and the result. So those were the format since it is situational. So they just asked me about my task, what I do with my previous job. Pretty much that's it. And then I've asked them question about when will it start, what is gonna be the schedule. And the good thing about this is the only schedule they have for my position that I applied for is 9 to 5, Mondays through Fridays. As compared to the other job that I had just recently accepted, it's actually a shifting schedule, and there are times that we will have Saturday shift. But then, the collection agent position offers a work from home, a permanent work from home, as long as you are doing good with your job. But this one, they said it's a hybrid. It's 3 days at work or in the office, and then 2 days at home, which is fine. And what else? I also asked when will be the first pay. So they said that the salary is monthly, which is far different in the Philippines, because in the Philippines either every 15th and the end of month or bi-weekly. But here, the salary here in the UK has different options. Some has weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly, something like that. So that's what happened. I actually forget everything that they asked me after the interview. That's actually what happened to me every time I had interview, because during that time I was so focused on what they're asking because of their accent. And I already told them that there are times that it's really difficult for me to understand British accent, especially if they talk so fast, because it feels like I don't know, but I love their accent. It's just that sometimes I really don't understand it because I'm used to American accent. So they said I will get my feedback after a week. So if in case there will be like another set of interview, but it's going to be informal interview. I just need to be there so that I can meet with managers and some other people who also work there. So it's like a meet and greet, but technically I'm not yet accepted, but that will be the last step before you can get the result of the interview. You know what I mean? But I really don't know. But yeah, so I'll just gonna wait for their feedback. For now, I'm just already heading home and hoping for the best. Pauwi na ako, guys. Grabe. Nakakaaliw palang mag-travel mag-isa. Yun nga lang, nakakaloka si Google mo. Kung saan ako tinuturo, ang hirap makahanap ng cafe. Sobrang daming tao. So, tapos na yung interview, it took like around 1.5 hours. Grabe, ang tagal. Yung mga questions is about competencies. Yung may pa-star approach. So, nasagot ko naman lahat. Hopefully, I can get the job. Pero, malalaman ko lang yung result kasi next week pa. So, next week ko pa malalaman yung result. Hopefully, it's a positive result. But we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Sige, maglalakad na ako pa uwi. It's going to take me 20 minutes. Well, nakita nyo na naman itong daan na to dati pa. And, update ko na lang kayo sa magiging result or naging result ng interview ko. Bye for now!